3 drinks that burn belly fat while you sleep. Imagine waking up feeling lighter and more energized, knowing that your body has been working hard to shed those extra pounds overnight. These 3 drinks are not only easy to incorporate into your routine, but are also packed with properties that promote better sleep, boost your metabolism, and detoxify your body, all contributing to a slimmer waistline. Remember, while these drinks can definitely give your metabolism a little boost, it's important to combine them with a healthy diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Now let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic bedtime beverage, chamomile tea. This herbal infusion has been cherished for centuries, not just for its delightful taste, but for its myriad of health benefits. We all know how important a good night's sleep is, but did you know that it's also crucial for weight management? Quality sleep is often overlooked in weight loss discussions, yet it plays a pivotal role in how our bodies function. Chamomile tea is well known for its calming effects, helping to reduce stress and anxiety that can often lead to weight gain. When you sip on this soothing tea, you're not just preparing for a good night's sleep, you're also setting the stage for a healthier body. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, a hormone that can increase belly fat storage. Elevated cortisol levels can wreak havoc on your metabolism, making it harder to shed those extra pounds. Chamomile tea helps lower those cortisol levels, allowing your body to relax and enter a deeper, more restful sleep. This deeper sleep is essential for the body to repair and rejuvenate itself, which is crucial for weight loss. And when you're well rested, your body is better equipped to regulate hormones that control appetite and metabolism. This means you're less likely to experience those late-night cravings or overeat the next day. But that's not all. Chamomile tea is also packed with antioxidants, which help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, further contributing to weight loss. These antioxidants are like little warriors, protecting your body from the inside out. These antioxidants work wonders in protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals, promoting overall health and well-being. A healthier body is more efficient at burning fat and maintaining a balanced weight. Now, how should you incorporate chamomile tea into your routine? It's simple. Making it a nightly ritual can be a game changer for your health. Brew yourself a cup of this soothing tea about an hour before bedtime. This gives your body enough time to absorb its calming properties and prepare for a restful night. Avoid adding any sugar or sweeteners to maximize its benefits. Sugar can counteract the calming effects and add unnecessary calories. The natural floral taste of chamomile is calming in itself, but if you prefer a little extra flavor, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a touch of honey. Remember, consistency is key. Regular consumption will yield the best results. Make chamomile tea a regular part of your nightly routine, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make in your sleep quality and your weight loss journey. Over time, you'll notice not just a slimmer waistline, but also a more relaxed and rejuvenated you. Next up, we have a drink that's as refreshing as it is effective: lemon water. This simple yet powerful beverage has been a staple in many health and wellness routines for good reason. You've probably heard about the numerous health benefits of lemon water, but did you know it can also help you burn belly fat while you sleep? Yes, you heard that right. This humble drink can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. Lemons are a natural diuretic, meaning they help flush out excess water weight from your body. This is particularly beneficial if you're dealing with water retention or bloating. This can be especially helpful in reducing bloating and making your stomach appear flatter. Imagine waking up with a flatter belly just by drinking lemon water before bed. But the benefits of lemon water go beyond just its diuretic properties. It's a multifaceted drink that offers a range of health advantages. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps boost your metabolism and burn fat more efficiently. Vitamin C is essential for the growth, development, and repair of all body tissues. Furthermore, lemon water helps to alkalize your body. This means it can help balance your body's pH levels, making it less acidic. Now you might be wondering, what does that even mean? An alkaline state is when your body's pH level is balanced, which is crucial for overall health. Well, when your body is in an alkaline state, it's better able to burn fat for energy. This means you can potentially lose weight more effectively. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can kickstart your metabolism and set the tone for the day. It's a great way to start your day on a healthy note. The citric acid in lemons interacts with enzymes in your body to aid digestion and improve nutrient absorption. This can help you get the most out of the foods you eat. To make this fat-burning elixir, simply squeeze half a lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. This simple routine can have a significant impact on your health. You can also enjoy lemon water throughout the day for a refreshing and healthy boost. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or just relaxing at home, lemon water can be your go-to drink for hydration and health. Ginger tea. Spice up your metabolism and burn fat overnight. Finally, let's talk about ginger tea, a spicy and flavorful drink that can fire up your metabolism and help you shed those unwanted pounds. Ginger tea is not just a delicious beverage, it's a powerhouse of health benefits that can transform your wellness routine. Ginger has long been recognized for its digestive properties, but it also possesses thermogenic effects, meaning it can increase your body temperature and boost your metabolism. This warming effect is what makes ginger tea so effective in aiding weight loss. When your metabolism is revved up, your body burns more calories, even at rest. This means that you can continue to burn calories and lose weight even when you're not actively exercising. This makes ginger tea an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight, especially belly fat. Belly fat is often the most stubborn to lose, but ginger tea can help target this area effectively. Ginger also helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy crashes that can lead to overeating and weight gain. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, you can avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks and maintain a balanced diet. By keeping your blood sugar levels stable, ginger tea helps you feel fuller for longer and reduces cravings. This can be particularly beneficial for those who struggle with late-night snacking or emotional eating. Additionally, ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce bloating and improve digestion. Inflammation in the body can lead to various health issues, including weight gain, so reducing it is crucial for overall health. It does this by stimulating the production of digestive juices, which break down food more efficiently. Efficient digestion means that your body can absorb nutrients better and eliminate waste more effectively. To make ginger tea, simply grate a small piece of fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor and the more potent the benefits. You can add a touch of honey or lemon for taste. Honey adds a natural sweetness, while lemon provides a refreshing citrus twist and additional vitamin C. For optimal results, enjoy a cup of ginger tea before bed. This not only helps with digestion but also allows your body to burn fat more effectively while you sleep. This will allow the thermogenic properties of ginger to work their magic while you sleep, helping you burn fat throughout the night. So, make ginger tea a part of your nightly routine and wake up feeling refreshed and lighter. So there you have it, 3 simple, delicious drinks that can help you burn belly fat while you sleep. Chamomile tea promotes relaxation and fights inflammation, lemon water detoxifies and boosts metabolism, and ginger tea increases thermogenesis and aids digestion. Incorporating these drinks into your nightly routine is an easy and enjoyable way to support your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key. Make these drinks a regular part of your life and you'll be amazed at the results. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these drinks and how they've worked for you. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more health and wellness tips, and share it with your friends and family. Until next time, stay healthy and keep those belly fires burning.